I have always wanted to get better at flying freestyle with my tiny wheels, because it's not as easy as it seems. If you look at the way that Tricky FPV flies and you look at the way that I fly, you will see that there is a lot for me to learn. I contacted Tricky and I asked him if he was willing to help me out, and he challenged me to learn one new trick in a week or two, and he sent me this.
A trippy spin is a trick where you orbit a vertical object in an inverted position. It's a bit hard to explain, but basically, once the drone tilts up to about 90 degrees, you start turning while holding the inverted position and keep spinning around the vertical obstacle, focusing on the top and trying to keep it in the center view. This gives a very trippy visual effect of the orbit, thus the name of the trick, the trippy spin. A good way to approach it is by flying up to a pole, and once you reach about the middle of it, start turning and keep maintaining the obstacle in your sight. When starting to learn the trick, it helps if your obstacle is as tall as possible so that you don't hit the ground, because you have very little visual aid to understand how low to the ground you are as you are looking up while you spin. Other than that, it's basically all about getting used to the awkwardness of how it feels to fly this way at first. But once you start getting the hang of it, you can focus on stabilizing your spins. Usually, at first, you still get some wobble till your brain adjusts and you find the sweet spot to stabilize the orbit. As soon as you get fully comfortable with it, you can start looking for more challenging obstacles that make it all look more trippy. A good example of that are trees with lots of branches. It's a fun trick to add to your line, as vertical objects are quite common in public places. Good luck for the trick and have fun!
After hearing Tricky's challenge, I actually got a bit concerned. I thought it was a bit out of my league, but a challenge is a challenge. Of course, I started trying in the simulator. This is a tiny whoop challenge, and I've been playing with a few different tiny whoops. This is my first try doing the trippy spin or the inverted orbit. It's not going that well. You're gonna see that my drone, I broke it already a couple of times, and yeah, I can't keep it up like on the right place. It's a problem of height. I don't know how to keep it up, so I need to keep training. The Meteor 7504 crashed enough to damage the camera, and after that I decided to go with an analog drone, both because they are cheaper in case I break them, and honestly they have much more power and controllability than the digital ones. I think all I need is something that is much taller than what I've been using. So let's see if I'm lucky with this one. After a few tries, I was able to do something similar to a trippy spin. I like the fact that I went from thinking I couldn't do anything remotely similar to a tricky spin to the point where I feel I'm kind of doing it. And I'm sure more stick time will just get it better. What do you think, Tricky FPV? Is this enough? What do you guys think? Can I say that I can do a trippy spin? And what about doing more videos like this one? Leave me your comment if you want to see me trying to learn more tricks from Tricky FPV. Thank you for watching and see you soon.